Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and then come back with me, Suci Jayanti, person number 16 from 4C Tourism Business Management. How are you guys? I hope you are well and always happy every day. So guys, in my previous video, I have explained what is the food and also beverage. And then now, I would like to explain you what will be the general terms of the food and also beverage. So, let's start it now. Guys, after we know and also learn about what are the benefits of the food and also beverage, of course, we have to choose what the food and beverage are suitable for our body needs. So, let me explain you start from food. Here I have 4 general terms of the food, such as the first one, a vegetable. One type of the food that nearly everyone eats every day is the food group called vegetables. The vegetables are important sources of many nutrients including a potassium, folic acid, dietary fiber, and any kind of vitamin. And then, between one vegetables and another, of course, they have different nutritional content. Next, I will explain some types of vegetables that we often encounter are often consumed. Is the first one, vegetables grow underground. Vegetables grow in underground, including the root vegetables like potatoes, yams, carrot, turnips, and also beetroot. For the bulbs, like onion and also garlic. Next, the second is green vegetable. The green vegetables include leaf vegetables like spinach, cabbage, peas, and also string beans. And the third is vegetable have seeds inside. Vegetable have seeds inside. There are such as a pumpkin, squash, eggplant, and any kind of pepper, like a green pepper, chili pepper, and then the bell pepper or capsicum. Next, the fourth is salad vegetable. The salad vegetable is the vegetable can be eaten directly like a cucumber and also lettuce. And then the last one, the vegetable can be eaten either raw or cooked, like a cauliflower, mushroom, asparagus, celery, and the other one. Next, the second food is fruit. Another important type of food is fruit. Fruit has any important content such as a fiber. Fiber is a content that plays an important role in maintaining the function of the digestive tract. Next, I would like to explain some types of a fruit there are, such as the first one, a tropical fruits. A tropical fruit is a fruit that grow in tropical climates. There are like a pineapple, banana, mango, papaya, and also mangosteen. Next, the second one is subtropical fruit. Subtropical fruit is a fruit that grow in subtropical climates or in cyclical climates. There are like olive, figs, dates, grapes, raisin, sultana, currants, orange, lemons, and also limes. And then the third is tropical and subtropical fruits. This is the type of fruits can grow in the both of tropical and subtropical climates. The most popular fruits for the examples such as a melon and then watermelon. Next, the fourth is temperate fruits. For this fruit can grow in even colder climates. There are like apples, pears, apricot, palms, peaches, cherries, avocados, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, kiwi, and also tomato. Next, the third food is meat and poultry. Many different animals and birds have been hunted in the wild, but only a few have been raised for their meat. In the ancient civilization of Egypt, India, China, and also Greece, people raised a pig, sheep, cattle, and poultry like a chicken, ducks, and all these are still being raised. Today, even though much has changed since ancient times, the kinds of meat and poultry we eat today are still mostly safe. Let's we discuss one by one, starting from meat. Meat is a sort of quality nutrition for human, especially as a sort of protein. Let me tell you some examples of the meat that we often encounter in everyday life. The first one is beef. Beef can be found in some supermarkets and of course has many cuts. And this piece will make it easier for us when processing a menu of beef. There is some types of the beef cuts such as a top side, spare ribs and steak, fillet and then T-bone steak. Next, the second meat is pork. Pork have many cuts here. There are such as a leg of pork, pork chops, pork spare ribs, bacon and also ham. Meats of all kinds are diced for making dishes like a stew or minced to make sausage, meat pies and hamburger patties. And then, third, lamb and sheep. The body parts of this animal that are most often used as a food preparation are the meat and the other leg of lamb or sheep. And then the last one, rabbit meat. The rabbit bodies that is often used to process the food, namely heart, kidney, tripe, and then also brains. That's all about meat. Next, let's we move on to poultry. Poultry are domesticated birds kept by humans for their eggs, their meat, or their feeders. Birds kept a poultry include a chicken, duck, geese, and then also turkeys. These animals are animals that can be taken for a meat and eggs to be processed into the food. Here is the piece of the process of chicken like a breast, wings, and drumstick. Alright everyone, that's all about terms of the food. Next, I would like to continue for the terms of beverage. When we want to drinking a drink, of course before that, we will first check whether the drink is worth to drinking or not. So here, I would like to share with you the several types of drink and their understanding, so that we can distinguish which one are suitable for consume and which one not suitable for consume. First, start from milk. Milk is a white nutritious liquid secreted by mammals and used as food by humans. Next is potion. Potion is a medical or poisonous beverage. Next is alcohol. Alcoholic beverage, alcoholic drink, inebriant, intoxicant is a liquor or brew containing alcohol as the active agent. Next is hydromel. Hydromel is a honey diluted in water, becomes meat when the fermented animal wine mixed with honey. Next is near beer. Near beer is a drink that resembles beer but with less than 1.2% alcohol. Next is ginger beer. Ginger beer is a carbonated cyclic alcoholic drink flavored with fermented ginger mixture. Next is club soda. Club soda or fruit juice used to mix with alcohol. Next is cooler. Cooler is an ice drink, especially white wine and fruit juice. Next is refresher. Refresher is a drink that refreshes. Next is smoothie. Smoothie is a thick, smooth drink consisting of fresh juice or fresh fruit filled with ice cream, yogurt, or milk. Next is fizz. Fizz is an effervescent beverage, usually disalcoholic. Next is cider. Cider is a beverage made from juice pressed from apple. Next, chocolate. Chocolate, cocoa drinking or drinking chocolate, hot chocolate is a beverage made from cocoa powder, milk and also sugar, usually drunk hot. Next is fruit crush. Fruit juice is a drink produced by squeezing or crushing fruit egg. Next is fruit drink. Fruit drink is a sweetened beverage or diluted fruit juice. Next is mead. Mead is South American tea like a drink made from leaf of South America, wholly called mead. Soft drink or non-alcoholic beverage, usually carbonated. Next is coffee or java. Coffee is a beverage consisting of an infusion of ground coffee beans. He ordered a cup of coffee. Next is tea. Tea is a beverage made by steeping tea leaves in water. Iced tea is a cooling drink. Next is tea like a drink. Tea like a drink is a beverage that resembles tea but is not made from tea leaves drink. Next is water. Water is a water suitable for drinking. And then the last one is liquid. Liquid is a substance that is liquid at the room temperature and pressure. Alright guys, that's all about my presentation about the terms of food and beverage. Thank you for your attention and see you in next video. Thank you.